Ever wondered why that to-do list seems to grow longer instead of shorter? Why does it feel like there's always something more important, more urgent, or simply more interesting to do than the task at hand? Procrastination. It's a word that can make even the most productive among us cringe. At its core, procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks. It's a common human experience, and in many cases, a sign of a perfectly normal brain. However, that's not to say it's a desirable trait. It can lead to stress, a sense of guilt, and the loss of productivity. But fear not, there are practical solutions and strategies to overcome this habit. One such strategy is to break tasks into manageable chunks. When a task seems too big or too daunting, it's easy to put it off. But by breaking it down into smaller, more manageable parts, it becomes less intimidating. Instead of thinking about writing an entire report, focus on writing just one section. Instead of cleaning the whole house, start with just one room. You'll be surprised how much you can accomplish when you take it one step at a time. Another effective strategy is to use time blocking. This means scheduling specific time slots for different tasks or activities throughout your day. It's a way of making an appointment with yourself to get work done. And once it's in your schedule, it's much harder to ignore. A third strategy is to eliminate distractions. It's easy to get sidetracked by social media, emails, or even household chores when you're trying to focus on a task. By creating a distraction-free environment, you make it easier for your brain to focus on the task at hand. But what about when the task itself is the distraction? In such cases, a technique called the Pomodoro technique can be very useful. This involves working for a set amount of time, usually 25 minutes, then taking a short break, 5 minutes, before going back to work. This helps maintain focus and productivity without leading to burnout. And lastly, remember to reward yourself. When you've completed a task, take a moment to acknowledge your achievement. This creates a positive association with getting work done and can make it easier to start the next task. In conclusion, overcoming procrastination involves breaking tasks into manageable chunks, using time blocking, eliminating distractions, using techniques like the Pomodoro technique, and rewarding yourself for completing tasks. It's not always easy, but with persistence and practice, it's certainly achievable. So the next time you find yourself delaying a task, remember these strategies. They may just be the key to turning procrastination into productivity.